I'm at the airport right now and I'm getting ready to work a trip with Christopher. Let's go find him. I heard him call my name. Where is he? Oh, I see him! Oh. Christopher! Strut it. I can't with you. Yes, Vogue. Yes. I can't with you. And Renalyn! Hi. Yay! Renalyn and Christopher. Christopher and Renalyn. We're all here. We're doing this. Yay! Wow. So we just got these. Oh, where's the camera? Oh, right there. We just got these ice creams. What's it called?
Hellenica
Yes.
by Eleanor's.
And Christopher got Marionberry and I got lemon. Yum! Yum! Strut.
Unbuckle by lifting on the top. For your safety and the safety of everyone around you, keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight whenever you are seated and remain in your seat when the seatbelt sign is on. If needed, an oxygen mask will drop from the panel above. Stay seated and pull down on the oxygen mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face coverings and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and secure the mask with the elastic band. Tighten by pulling on the ends. The bag will not inflate, however, oxygen will be flowing. Put your mask on before helping others and keep it on until a crew member says it is no longer necessary.
Morning, y'all. So I made it to the hotel. Actually, we made it to the hotel. This is the hotel room right here. Took a little nappy nap. And it is now 11:30. This is our view. The other side of the hotel has a better view. It's of a church and it's really cute. But we got this side and that is okay. Finish getting ready now. I need to finish getting ready so we can all meet and then we're gonna head to Reading Terminal to get some food because hunger is real.
Yeah, I think you should.
There we go, Ren. The vlog is vlogging for you. We made it to Reading Terminal. Is this? It's usually a driving ground?
Yeah, the chairs out here are not like this. I think they borrowed them from New York City.
I can't with you. Doesn't it smell so yummy? Ah, cheesesteaks. Terminal literally has so much stuff. We just tried ginger from real ginger, I don't know what it's called, but yeah.
Ooh, the cheese.
Cheeses. Yum. My favorite pretzel place. We secured the pretzels. I am so excited about this. Yay. Alrighty, we got our turkey cranberry stuffing. I'm just gonna take this one real quick. You wanna grab, Christopher? Look! And then what is this one?
Roast pork.
Yum!
That's roasted.
We made it to Primark. The food, delicious. The turkey cranberry sandwich, 10 out of 10. The other sandwich, it was mid. But we are at Primark now. And they have FIFA stuff. I found Argentina. Ooh. My gimbal's stuck. Hold on. Spotted him. Christopher, what did you think about the sandwiches that we got?
They were great. The turkey with cranberry was like Thanksgiving between two pieces of bread. It was delicious, rightly flavored, a good amount of sweet and salty, super moist. The pork sandwich was mid.
Okay, I said the same
I
thing.
believe that's what you generational younger.
Literally, I just said that.
No flavor, slightly dry.
So wait, I said 5 out of 5 for the turkey cran, and then maybe like a 3, a 2.5 for the
To
other
be
one.
honest, I'd give the turkey cran a 3.5 out of 5, and the pork sandwich 2 out of 5. Mostly because I have COVID right now and I can't taste.
He's getting over it. He doesn't have COVID. He wouldn't be working. He wouldn't do that.
Why are you gonna post it like that?
Alrighty, y'all. So Spain is playing against Austria tomorrow, and we found these shirts at Primark. Christopher, let's see it. So cute. I'm gonna get one too. We're gonna twin on the plane tomorrow. Yes, work. We secured the Wawa drinks. I got the mango, matcha, passion fruit, something else, and Christopher got strawberry mango. Yes. You're doing the taste test. It's good. It's good. You guys like your smoothies? Yes.
Jessica, picture of Wawa.
All right, Ren, what did you get?
I got a mango.
Yay! And she loves it. She had a little taste test inside. Yes. And this one's very good too. I tried. Cheers! Yay! Wawa. Oh, National Treasure, yes. We've made it to dun, da, da, da. Oh, Independence Hall. Woo!
1886.
Wait, isn't it 1776? 1776. It's okay. Wow, look, there's Barry.
That's when Hawaii was open.
When? What year?
Oh,
And then
1893.
1901 was. When did it bomb?
What year? The facts. Alrighty, y'all, it's hot. It's over 100 degrees. It feels like it's over 100 degrees. It's 97 degrees, Christopher.
Yeah.
But you know what? We're doing it. We're gonna find Betsy Ross's house.
I don't know what the hell you talking about, girl. It's hard. You're not doing it.
We are doing
We're
it.
surviving it.
We're surviving, not thriving.
So we'll go to Betsy Ross' house since it's just straight across now.
Okay. And
Homegirl
then
Betsy.
Benjamin Franklin's great homegirl Betsy. Yes. Woo. Let's go.
Whoa, I'm so haggard.
Y'all, so Benjamin Franklin, he went to and from his house through this passage. Wow. We're really stepping back into time, y'all. It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Christopher can attest to this. Heat and Ren. Robot in the wild. Y'all, we can meet Betsy Ross today. We made it. Her house. Yes, we can. Okay. Christopher found a book in the Three Little Library.
It's Arusha and the Song of Death. It's a Disney collection.
Oh,
You're taking it?
let's see. This is the shop. Did you find anything, guys? No? You didn't find anything?
I did.
Oh, what? AC. And guys, they have a Stars and Stripes mystery box. Mystery plushies. So fun. I wish they were keychains.
Oh,
Okay. We made it to Big B's house, Betsy Ross. And the flag's over here, 13 stripes, 13 colonies. Now that we finished our little tour over here, we are headed to, bum-ba-da-dan, it's really loud, Benjamin Franklin's grave. Guys, I love this. And this one too, I love. Dun, 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 dun. We made it to Benjamin Franklin's grave. It's over there. Here we are, the resting place of Benjamin Franklin.
My max point, like,
Peak
I'm
delirium.
delirious.
I know, peak delirium right now, literally. It's okay. We're in Uniqlo. We just finished 2nd Street. There was nothing there for us, but
I am
hopefully
reaching delirious.
Uniqlo will be it. Chris, what are you looking for?
This color
with you.
Hello Kitty and Friends shirt. Where is it?
I don't know.
Find the Hello Kitty and Friends shirt. Hello Kitty and Friends.
Shopping with Christopher, guys. So we did some damage at Uniqlo. Christopher in his bag, or Christopher in his bags over here. And then I added to my Primark bag. Now I'm trying on some tippy toes. So these are the shoes they make for work. Yes. And we can top them.
Yes.
Cart? Okay, we're good. So we went to Nordstrom Rack. What did you find?
A bag.
Show us the bag and what was in it. Oh my god.
This bag, originally $29.97. I got it on sale for
surprise
$19.97
deal.
with a lock and key.
Beautiful.
I hope this is not haunted.
I know, it was randomly in his bag. Now we're in Five and Below. And I don't know what we're here for. We're just in Five and
you know
Below.
the little keyboard fidget thingy?
So cute. Keyboard fidgets. Fidgets. We're here for fidgets. Yes.
Needles. Oh, they should have here.
Made it to, what's it called? Levon Bakery. Yeah. And these are the cookies. Yum. We'll show what cookies we got later.
Boise.
Hello! Christopher! You not ready? Come on, party people. We gotta go get some din din. So we're on our way to go get some Philly cheesesteaks where we ran into
Can we stand there?
Paraguay. There they are. You said
Did they win or
Paraguay?
lose?
I have no idea. Woo! Okay, y'all, so we made our second run out into town, and we're at, oh, what is this place called?
Shades.
Shades.
Shays, and we got a Philly cheesesteak.
Trader Joe's is 8 minutes.
This is the aftermath of our Philly cheesesteak and fries.
I'll eat it.
Mmm, so good.
Good. Better than the bun mai.
Stop. It's better than the cleavers is what we'll say.
Which
Better
was
than the
in
cleavers.
26 minutes.
Yeah. It was very good. I'll say
It literally
3
was
out of
down the road
5?
from Primark.
3 out of 5? Oh my god.
3 out of 5.
What do you
Yeah.
3.5 out of 5.
Okay, yeah. That's pretty solid. I think the fries is what made it a 3.
And then I usually give bun mai about 4.
I can't. We're done. We're done.
Bun mai.
Alrighty, y'all. So I am back in the hotel room and I'm in the bathroom right now because it has the best lighting. We had so much fun today running around Philly. It was hot, very, very hot. We just finished grabbing Kava. They got food for the plane ride tomorrow. I have some salad and greens and stuff already that I packed, so I ended up skipping out on the Kava, but we picked that up. And now we're back here and gonna get ready for bed so we can make our 6 a.m. van in the morning. But before I do all of that and wrap up, I wanted to share what we ended up getting, or what I guess I ended up getting. So from some of the stops, the first stop we went to Reading Terminal, got the Miller's, so good. Miller's pretzels, gotta get it every time. And then afterwards we went to Primark and I got this España, and I think it says Vamos España little jersey, and Spain plays tomorrow. I think, is it Bolivia? I think Spain plays Bolivia tomorrow. It is July 2nd tomorrow. Can't exactly remember who they're playing, but they're playing tomorrow, and that is why I wanted to get a little jersey. I really wanted to get Argentina, but they didn't have Argentina. It was Argentina and the US. Those were the two that I really wanted. They didn't have any there, so that's okay. I settled for España. I lived there for a little bit, so that was fun. And then I got this little case, and I mainly got this case because I want it to hold my pins and like my pin boards in this. But it came with these little like makeup things, and it was on sale, so I was like, perfect. Got a little see-through bag. And then I don't know, we did some more running around, saw all of the historic sites, and then we hit up Uniqlo, and I got some really good things from Uniqlo. First, I got this green cutie vest, And then I also got it in gray as well. They had it in black, navy, and white, but they were all sold out in my size, so I just ended up getting the gray and the green. Excited to wear these. And then I got these pants that I love. What are they called? Cotton relaxed ankle pants. So good. So good. They look so good on. Excited to wear these. Very nice. And then last but not least, I picked up this top, which was so cute on as well. And I have these pants, like they have matching pants, and I have them in green. I don't have this color. I might have to get this color, and then black also. So love this material as well. And that was everything clothes-wise that I picked up. And then last but not least, we went to Levon's Bakery, and I got some cookies for Madre. I got the 2 chocolate chip cookie, I think it's like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and walnuts. And then I got the peanut butter chocolate cookie because that was recommended to us. And then last but not least, what was the other cookie I got? Oh, the s'mores cookie, which she said has vegan marshmallows, walnuts. It's a chocolate cookie, maybe graham crackers, but yeah. So excited to try these once I get home. And that is the little haul of what I got today. But yes, today has been very successful. Hope you all enjoyed the vlog, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.